Hey guys, it's Brandon here with Kobelco Welding of America, and this is the Welder's BS. I'm the BS, Brandon Spurlin. So one of the questions we get most about the ARCMAN Portable is, what do you mean no programming? Well, the truth is, you don't have to do a lick of programming on the ARCMAN Portable. Here's why. The ARCMAN Portable automatically collects joint geometry using low voltage touch sensing. What this means is we can bounce to different joint geometries and different thicknesses across the shop floor without having to input a full list of program changes. All we're doing is selecting the general geometry of the joint, whether that be single bevel, V-groove, or fillet, and the ARCMAN Portable figures out the rest. This means for your operators, less time training and more time welding, and no manuals for your crew to read, just hands-on training. So go ahead and send us a message on LinkedIn or call our office today for more information.